Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look as usual on the gold market. On the gold market, we could see some reversal has happened during the last week, and although the long-term analysis, long-term charts barely has changed, so in general gold keeps the bullish sentiment in the markets. It's also confirmed by the commitment of traders report. But in the short-term perspective, we mostly think that downward action could continue. That mostly is followed from analysis on the weekly chart, because last week candle takes the shape and in the feature of some kind of the reversal candle, because actually market has shown the reversal at that point where all major fib levels have been broken. So here above this top, market already has no real barriers to continue upward action. And as we suggest that this really bullish market, there is no reversal should happen as it has been done by the gold market. Even more, this reversal takes the shape and the wash and rinse of the previous top, because market has just slightly exceeded this previous top just for a few cents, probably grabbed stops that have been placed here, and immediately has turned down. This is bearish action. And in fact, the three candles that we see here on the daily chart is just the completion of the bearish candle on the weekly chart. And you see the weekly, some kind of reversal candle has been formed. Usually it has the continuation. So that is not yet even the swing on the daily chart. That's not even the bearish swing. That's just the completion of the weekly candle. And it means that on the common week, there is really great probability that market could continue move down. And now a nice destination point that we see here stands around 1245, 1250. This is, you can see, daily confidence support. It's accompanied by monthly pivot point and daily average sold. In this behavior of the gold market, nothing curious, guys, because right now it's difficult to say what is more important driving factor for the gold. Either some financial factors, fiscal factors, or this is political factors. And I think that it seems that politics drives gold market more than some financial issues. Because here, actually, it's just reaction of the gold market on some driving factors vacuum. Because the commie speech has been completed and brought nothing important. The elections in the United Kingdom has happened. No new inputs on the situation that's right now stands in the Middle East and some in Europe. So this is some kind of the eliminating of the former driving factors in the absence of the new driving factors. Because when you're dealing with the political factors, they are also very volatile, and you do not know in what moment the new driving factor will appear. This is just a feature of the political driving factors. They are not so as stable as financial factors, because when you see that it's gradual policy of the Fed Reserve, and you know how this will impact on the gold market, and that this policy takes the shape of some extended action. So that's much simpler to understand what is going on. But the political factors, although they exist and they probably will appear again, we think that till 2017 this will be the major driving force for the gold market. But you do not know what the factor will appear and how durable it will be and how it will impact on the market. That's why we see some kind of an reverse, very volatile action in the gold market right now. So if we'll take a look at the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see any real patterns that have been formed here. Market just ended at 1265 support. This, by the way, guys, creates an agreement with the daily chart, with the daily pattern, daily fib level that stands in the same area. Market has broken this upward trend line to the downside, and take a look what we have. Weekly pivot support one will stand at 12.55 in coming week, very close to our confidence support. And also here will be the trend line of our former broken pennant pattern. Recall what we have talked about 2 weeks ago, is that all is stand above around this pennant pattern. So it has been broken up. Right now market is moving down. It will be again at 12.52. It's approximately the same area as the confidence support stands. So that's very probable next destination. On the hourly chart, guys, we also currently have no clue on the possible reversal or something of that sort. So we see just, we're not seeing reversal patterns, no hints on the possible final point of this drop. All that we see on the hourly chart is a strong acceleration here, downward action, and very minor retracements. They are mostly harmonic. It's very, very small. It means that before talking on the possible final point of this drop or some reversal, we need to get some kind of the greater pattern that could let us to estimate this destination of this retracement. So this probably is developing some kind of the A-B leg. So after that, we need to get some kind of the BC retracements. Deeper retracement is unusual. And as soon as it will be completed, we will be able to estimate the possible ABCD target, and there we will start to watch for possible bullish reversal patterns. So as you can see, currently we do not have something of that sort. It means that this action to the downside stands right now in some starting point, and we will see this continuation in the coming week. And finally, guys, some of you could treat this action as the background for Judd Napoli bread and butter buy pattern. So you think that this is nice for us stop, this retracement right to the freight support. That creates the background, the bread and butter buy, trading this minor bounce out from here. We would like to call you to not do this, because actually this thrust is not very good for the bread and butter trade. Well, maybe it will work as the bread and butter. Maybe here we will see this bounce up, and probably we will see, but it's not as reliable. It's not really pure setup, because here, as you can see, in the middle of the thrust, market has deep retracement. Freight retracement at least has been done here. This is really choppy action. It's not good for us for trading as a bread and butter. So we can't forbid you to trade it. You could try, but our opinion on this stop, that is, it is not a very good example of the bread and butter trade. But bounce here is possible because, guys, here actually the confidence support, you can see, it's a combination of the two levels. A reaction here could happen maybe to the weekly pivot point. Some retracement here is possible. That's actually probably could happen on Monday. But after that, we expect that another leg down will start. And if any bounce up we will get here, it probably will be just retracement. So that's our view on the gold market right now.